Sea or air, which one is cheaper and faster, is not yet a decision question. It hides the packed shipment, origin and destination, readiness date, required arrival window, customs path, service level, and every local charge. Air usually offers a shorter main transport leg. Sea often becomes attractive for larger, less urgent loads. But neither statement is a door-to-door promise. This video builds a route decision from your actual fan shipment, without inventing a universal rate or transit time. First, freeze the shipment profile after packaging. Record carton, pallet, or crate count, external dimensions, actual gross weight, stackability, fragility, shipment value, and any battery, magnet, chemical, or other carrier-relevant feature that must be declared. Then record the exact pickup and delivery points, cargo-ready date, latest acceptable arrival, quantity, and service requirement. A product drawing is not a shipping profile, because freight is sold around the packed consignment. Packing geometry drives the two modes differently. Air quotation commonly compares actual mass with a volumetric basis under the selected carrier's tariff and measurement rules. A higher chargeable basis can control the linehaul charge. Sea planning asks how cartons, pallets, or crates use an LCL volume or an FCL container, including non-stackable space and safe loading constraints. Never use one remembered conversion factor. Send the final pack dimensions and weight, and ask both forwarders to show their calculation basis. Open the air freight cost stack. A complete door-to-door offer can include pickup, export handling and documents, security screening, origin terminal charges, main air carriage, transfer or handling at destination, customs brokerage, duties and taxes where applicable, storage exceptions, and final delivery. Some lines may be included, excluded, estimated, or payable directly by the buyer. The word air does not define that scope. Normalize every quote to the same airports, places, service level, chargeable basis, and exclusions. Now open the sea freight cost stack. First decide whether the offer is LCL or FCL and name the exact origin and destination points. Then expose pickup, export formalities, consolidation or container handling, terminal charges, ocean carriage, documentation, destination handling, deconsolidation when applicable, customs, inland delivery, unloading, and exception charges such as storage or demurrage. A low ocean line can sit inside a high door-to-door total. Port-to-port is not the same product as delivered to door. Transit time must also be drawn door-to-door. Start with cargo readiness and packaging, then pickup booking, carrier cutoff, terminal acceptance, departure, the main transport leg, transfer or consolidation, arrival handling, customs release, appointment, and final delivery. Air can lose its apparent advantage if the shipment misses a cutoff or waits for documents. Sea can lose a sailing and move to the next schedule. Ask for a dated milestone plan and arrange with assumptions, not a single guaranteed-looking number. Risk changes with the packed product and the handling chain. Consider blade or housing deformation, motor and controller shock, moisture and corrosion exposure, stacking pressure, long or awkward geometry, loose accessories, and the number of handoffs. Packaging footage can show partitions and warehouse handling, but it cannot prove that a pack is qualified for a route or that damage will not occur. Define protection, orientation, stacking limits, moisture control, labels, inspection evidence, and insurance responsibility before mode selection. Next, normalize the two forwarder offers. Hold pickup and delivery points, cargo-ready date, packed profile, quantity, customs party, Incoterms coordinate, insurance requirement, service level, and validity date constant. For every charge, mark included, excluded, estimated, buyer direct, or conditional. For every milestone, mark committed, indicative, or dependent on booking in clearance. Only then can you compare total cash exposure, arrival risk, and the service each quotation actually buys. Urgency has an economic value, but it is not a blank check. Estimate what a late fan would affect: commissioning, production, maintenance, customer acceptance, or a spare parts buffer. Compare that avoided delay value with the verified freight difference and the probability of each schedule, using your own project data. Do not turn a dramatic downtime story into a universal formula. If the arrival window is flexible, preserve that flexibility in the request so forwarders can offer meaningful alternatives. A split shipment can be the third option. A small critical quantity, sample, controller, or replacement component may move by air while the balance moves by sea. This can protect the milestone without flying the entire order, but it creates two bookings, two document sets, possible packaging changes, allocation decisions, and coordination risk. Confirm which units are truly critical, whether partial customs entry and installation are practical, and how production will identify and release each lot. Use this decision gate before booking. Is the packed profile final? Is the cargo ready date credible? Is the must arrive window real? Are both offers door to door on the same scope? Is the air chargeable basis visible? Is the LCL or FCL basis visible? Are customs, insurance, local delivery, and exceptions assigned? Have you compared full air, full sea, and split scenarios? If any answer is unclear, the cheapest looking quote is not ready for approval. Here is the complete method. Freeze the packed shipment, map both cost stacks, draw the door-to-door milestone chain, define packaging and handling risk, normalize scope, value the arrival window, and test a split shipment when it serves a real milestone. Sea and air are not competitors in the abstract, they are route designs for a specific order. Longwell can help you turn the fan, packaging, and delivery requirement into a forwarder-ready shipment brief before you request the final quotes.